Hi, I'm Keely and I work for Ronseal, and we've been creating these videos to really help you out at home. This might be the first time you've ever used some of these products, and they're really easy. Ronseal does exactly what it says on the tin. I'm a DIY queen, I've been there myself. Hopefully you'll find these really useful. With Ronseal One Coat Tile Paint, it saves you the costly job of removing your tiles. You can just quickly put a lick of paint on there and give them a brand new look. After giving them a clean, stir the paint. Apply one coat of the paint working vertically. Don't worry about going onto the grout line. Just wait 24 hours before getting the tile wet. You can then redefine the grout line with one of our one coat grout pens. Shake it until you hear it rattle and hold the nib down on some paper until the white paint starts to come out. Just like using a normal pen. And if you get any on your tiles, use a damp cloth to remove it. Like the paint, it takes a day to dry. Ronseal does exactly what it says on the tin.